Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add this animated emoji on your Telegram story on Telegram. So if you want to add this animated emoji, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you want to first go to your App Store or Play Store, search for Telegram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and make sure you're on chat and then go ahead and tap on the plus sign to post a story. So here we'll go ahead and upload a story from our phone library. So for example, this video here. Now here I want to go ahead and add an animated emoji. So I'll go ahead and tap on the sticker icon and then tap on this icon here, which basically shows me an animated emoji. I can go ahead and change all the emojis which are available. If they're not in that list, I can go ahead and tap on the down arrow and choose from here. I can go ahead and make it larger. Go ahead and turn this around. And once I'm done, I can go ahead and post this to my Telegram story. So there you go, guys. That is how to add animated emojis on your Telegram story.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.